Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Did you know that you can get the green card on a religious visa? That's called an EB-4, Special Immigrant Religious Petition. If you get petitioned by a church or a religious organization in a religious capacity, and there's some other requirements, such as 2 years of prior experience, same denomination type thing, then if it's approved, then you would get the green card to continue with your religious endeavors. And it's actually a very nice way, hardly any backlog and so forth. Now, mind, this is different than the R-1. The R-1 is the non-immigrant religious visa, and which of course is much easier to obtain than the EB-4 special immigrant religious visa, for the primary reason that a non-immigrant comes temporarily and goes back. The green card can stay here forever. So, a lot of people think the only types of positions that would satisfy the EB-4 special immigrant religious petition are just the very, typical type of position, such as a priest or a rabbi or an imam, things like that. But it actually can vary widely if it's presented properly on the types of positions, such, maybe choir school teacher, um, even ones that don't necessarily have the typical religious attributes attached to their position, if they can prove that it is a religion, or religious capacity. Now, sometimes, believe it or not, the first hurdle to get over is to show that it is actually a religion. Okay, it's not just, for example, the Catholic slash Jewish slash Muslims that can get R1s, but sometimes religions you never heard of before. Okay, so the question, for example, the Church of Scientology, would they be able to petition for an R1? So there's all kinds of evidence you have to submit to prove, in fact, it is a religion. But this is something to think of if you're, working in a religious capacity and want to try to come to the U.S. in that way. Okay.